versus Joseph Ramirez. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Please ask the court to follow the plea administration.
All right. Mr. Ramirez, are you employed?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you do?
A carpenter, ma'am.
I'm sorry, what?
A carpenter and the superintendent
Superintendent for what?
for a construction company, ma'am.
Who is April Gonzalez to you?
That's my wife.
It appears that you all are committing crimes together. So do you have any children?
Yes, ma'am.
How many?
Total of two that live with us,
What are their ages?
17 and 15.
Why are you stealing?
I don't know. Got lost in our ways, I guess.
I'm sorry, what?
Just got lost in our ways. Just I have no really reason for it.
Just one moment. So are there any drug issues?
No, ma'am.
So why are you stealing though?
I don't know, ma'am. To be honest with you,
I'm sorry, what?
I don't know what's happening.
Well, I mean, it appears that you're going in people's mailboxes, you're doing this, you're doing that. When's the last time you spoke with April Gonzalez?
Last time she was about a month ago, I guess. She was incarcerated as well. So
You both are setting a horrible example for your children.
Right.
I mean, you're telling me you're a carpenter, but it appears that's not your occupation. Your occupation is taking things that don't belong to you. So I'm telling you right now, you're going to get a real job. And when I say a real job, I know that carpentry is a real job, but it appears that you're not really working on a basis that supports you. So you're getting a job, and you're going to get a job where someone actually pays you with a paycheck. Do you understand? All right. This is what the court is going to do. Punishment is going to be assessed at 6 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 6 years. There's $1,000 fine that will be probated. All right. We can go off the record. You had better start searching internally why you do the things you do, because you're going to find yourself maybe in prison for a long time. And then your children will not be influenced by you, possibly, because you'll be at the prison. You understand? All right. Good luck to you. Thank you, Mr. Martinez.
Thank you, Judge.
The same Joseph Ramirez, who's placed on community supervision in 2021 CR 8084B for the offense of tampering with the government record on January 10th, 2023 for a term of 6 years. Is that you?
Sure.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor. Violated condition number one, on or about the 19th day of December 2023 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant Joseph Ramirez committed the offense of tampering with government record, violation condition number one.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, Your Honor.
Your Honor, we waive the remaining violated condition.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number one, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you to 6 years in the prison?
Yes, sir.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number one?
Yes.
Court will find violation of condition number one true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor,
Yes.
and it is for both individual officers, community supervision, and reforming the underlying sentencing to 3 years in the Texas Department of Corrections. And the state will take into consideration 2 cases, Your Honor.
Okay.
Night mag number 743.
I'm sorry, just 1 second. The printer went off. Is that the agreement?
That is the agreement, Judge.
And counsel, are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, Your Honor. And also, as of today, my client has 168 days credit. We would just ask the court to give you credit for that time.
And Mr. Ramirez, are you asking the court to follow that agreement? I'm sorry?
Yes, sir.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes.
All right. Mr. Ramirez, I don't understand the tiers. Here's the thing. You were placed on probation. You were given an opportunity. You were given an opportunity to live in the free world, but instead you took your opportunity and you committed new offenses. So that's a prison sentence. Do you understand? So the fact that you are here in this position, that's 100% on you.
I
That's not on
understand that.
your attorneys.
I understand
You
that.
understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So
I'm just crying.
these
for
are
my family.
consequences. Well, here's the thing. With your family, you're crying for your family because you're not going to be there. You could have been there,
I
but you
understand.
chose to do this.
I understand that.
All right, court is finding violation condition number 1 true. The court will grant the motion, follow your agreement, sentence you to 3 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served, take in consideration night mag number 743-173, county court cause number 734036. And the previous no contact order will remain in place. And how many children do you have?
5.
What are their ages?
They rank from 24 to 17.
All right, and there's to be no contact with minors. Going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I acknowledge the plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your rights to appeal, you do not have the court permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so we can go off the record. Here's the thing. If you want to do better in your life, then do better in your life. Don't continue to commit crimes and then, cry for tears for your family, because you know what? You had a chance to be with your family
I
and
understand
you
that.
chose not to.
Understand.
Maybe you don't want to be with them. I don't know. Maybe this is a way to avoid them. Sometimes I have friends who will work 24 hours a day. And when I say 24 hours a day, I really mean like 18 hours. And we're like, why are you still at the office? It's 2 a.m. And you know what we discovered? He doesn't want to go home because he has a lot of children. And he'd rather say, I'm at the office. So maybe you want to go to prison and not be around your family. You need to make your decision and make your mind up. If you want to be with your family, you're going to have to do better. You understand? And
Yes.
be a good example for your children. All right. Good luck to you. All right.